Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 2013 Raptor. It's got the ROUSH package on it. It's a 6.2 liter motor, as you know, with a Phase 2 supercharger kit. 590 horsepower, 590 pounds of torque. Definitely a monster. This one has a brand new motor in it, covered under warranty by Ford. This truck's loaded with options. It's finished in red with a black interior. Have all the details about the ROUSH upgrade on the website. You can read up on that. The ROUSH exhaust and the upgraded supercharger definitely sounds pretty mean. $56,799 miles. Fully equipped. Navigation, heated and air-conditioned seats. It also has a Passport 9500 CI integrated radar detector. Very expensive. All the original owner's manuals, books, literature. Definitely has a mean sound. All weather mats as well. It's got the ROUSH tonneau cover. Class 3 tow package. ROUSH exhaust. There's the rear radar detector for the 9500. All weather mats all the way around. Outfitter switches. Moonroof. Motor is brand new. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.